I came here because I know that they're good at what they do. That's why I brought my dad here.
Sabi ko, ito talaga yung tamang clinic.
My name is Osmond.
My name is Dexter. No? My knee was operated on. I thought nga I'll never be able to walk again. So, there were times na yung anak ko pagka binubuhat niya ako, I said sorry to him. But he said na, Dad, you don't have to be sorry. Sabi niya, because, tatawirin natin to. So, I'm very thankful.
Initially, when I came to his clinic, I had lower back pain. Sometimes, through my gym sessions, I overworked certain muscles. After the session, there's a big difference, very night and day difference. When my dad needed the help, so the person that came into my mind was Fadi. I came here because I know that they're good at what they do.
Nung dumating naman ako dito, ang una kong pinakiusap sa kanila rito, Doc, pwede ba tayong mag-concentrate na makabalik ako mag-drive? So ngayon, happy na ako kasi makakaalis na ako pag gusto ko. Ngayon, napagda-drive ko na yung misis ko. Man, feel ko nga, inaabuso niya na ako ulit Dahil joke lang ko yan. Ang isa pa palang nagustuhan ko rito sa kanila is they are bringing back yung self-confidence mo. Sabi nila, sir, makakalakad ka ulit. Pero you need to help yourself na kaya mong ibalik yung tiwala mo sa sarili.
Ang tingin ko kasi yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante. Aside from the physical therapy mismo, yun yung binibuild nila muna dito, is yung confidence.
For other patients, they really wanted na magkaroon ng changes. They try Padisab. Dito sa Padisab, lahat yan nakita ko yung quality of service nila, yung compassion nila towards yung patients nila, yung care, nandoon lahat. Ang makita mo talaga na ang objective is sinishare sa inyo from start to finish. Hindi kayo nila iiwan. Feel well at Padisab.
Feel the love and feel the cheer. All your worries disappear. Hope and healing hand in hand. Feel well at Padisab.